Benvenuti, ciao! Today we stay in L'Osteria della Trippa. I'm Alessandra Ruggeri and this is the potatoes. Okay, you know. But what do you want to do with the potatoes? Today we do a very easy dish and very cheaper also. The name is Frittata alla Romana. We can try to translate that is the tart with tomato and the potatoes. Okay, we start and I talk about the history of the recipe. So you see that we have the potatoes, we need to clean before and cut in very, not too much large slice. So the tart of potatoes start after the warm. Means that normally when you stay in your house, we made the frittata. You know, the frittata is made with the eggs, with the vegetables, with the salt and blah blah blah. In this case, after the warm, the eggs was very expensive ingredients. So, what do you say? Nothing. We put inside the potatoes just a little bit of tomato. Means that the tomato, that is this one, is like the yolk of eggs. So is the color of the potatoes, the smashed potatoes, will be orange, like the right frittata. So we can say that is a fake frittata or vegetarian, vegetables. So now we cut this one. Okay, before I clean the potatoes, I peel it. Okay, you can see that it's clean, this one, and put here with okay, just a little bit, in this case, of salt. Okay, and now we go to cook for the right time, more or less is 10 minutes. How much is large your slice? I don't know. We put with the knife and when it's right, I show you the end of receipt. Vuoi far vedere?
All right.
Che io faccio questo?
Yes, go.
Okay, now we are ready. Can you see the potatoes is ready? Perfect, via. Ta da da da. Chiudiamo. I need just just a fork. That always when I need a fork, I never found a fork. Okay. I need a fork. Where is the fork? And now we smash the potatoes like this. No problem. Ta-ra-ta, ta-ra-da-da. Ok? Patata schiacciata. Molto easy. Very easy to make it. This is probably Star Michelin. Okay, and now we don't have the eggs, so we put inside just a sauce of tomato. This sauce is made just with fresh tomato, basil, and finish. You can use also the concentrato as you want. In this moment now we made the color in the potatoes. It's like this, okay? Look. It's like when you made the frittata, the traditional frittata, okay? It is very easy. Look like the frittata, but it's not the really frittata. Okay? Perfetta. So now, probably we put just a little bit of salt and just 2 minutes. This one. To mix together the ingredients. If you want, you can put the extra virgin olive oil or not, as you want. It's not important. There is inside the sauce of tomato, the extra virgin olive oil. So now you can make the tart with just a little bit of crunchy peel. You made this one, and after you can change and have the second part. But in my restaurant, I made like this. Now you can see. Okay. We are finished. Are you ready to eat? Yes. No. Finito. In my restaurant, I have this one. It's very nice. I put this one here. Like the frittata. And to be very, very important, now the extra virgin olive oil. La mia frittatina. This is my tart of potatoes and tomato. Frittata alla romana. Enjoy. Frittatina alla romana. Next time we will make a video made also with the tasting menu that I put inside
okay, you have a tasting menu.
Yes, just try.
How many dishes?
It's 4.
Okay.
In this moment we have the egg stripe, fake tripe.
Fake tripe.
Yeah. We have the...
Why fake?
Because look like the tripe, but it's not tripe. It's an omelette.
Egg.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Uova trippa, made also the name. The croquette of tripe.
Okay.
The main course that is one is the pasta, but change by the seasonal. In this moment we have the soup. And the second is the tripe with the bean.
Oh, okay.
And so, but change also during, because in the summer,
Yeah, sure.
a trip,
Sure.
so we can put with inside, I need to change. This is, in this moment, we will have, I want to show you, we'll have this type of menu that will be just for